The details of this giveaway are at this timestamp. Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Mentions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Today I have with me a period kit, and this is from the brand Plush. This small little box holds 22 items. Isn't that great? This kit has 8 large pads, 6 extra large pads, 5 intimate wipes, 2 panty liners and 1 plush pouch, and this entire kit retails for 250 rupees. So it is very economically priced. Basically this is like this is like a travel kit. Like if you're traveling somewhere and you are nearing your date, then you can buy this kit and carry with you, because this has everything sorted inside. This also has panty liners and intimate wipes, so this will keep you sorted. The pads are made up of 100% pure cotton, and this brand is cruelty free and vegan. I have personally used this pad, and I must say that these are very comfortable, very lightweight, and they have a good absorbency power, and also they feel very comfortable. No itches, rashes or anything. No, I personally use Whisper. I like Whisper a lot. I just wanted to give these pads a try, and I equally loved them. It is very difficult to change your preference when it comes to pads, because you're already used to that particular brand and you're comfortable with that brand, so it is a little difficult. But I think now gradually I can change my preference to Plush as well, because these pads are equally good and equally comfortable. The packaging is very nice, amazing, colorful kind of a packaging, and this says that the 8 large pads are thin pads, and they are saying you'll forget that you are even wearing them. That is absolutely true. These pads are very lightweight and you will not even realize that you are wearing a pad. And the 6 extra large pads, they are good on absorbency and also length, and no stains, no stress. The 5 intimate wipes are bamboo infused to keep us fresh and clean. 2 panty liners when you are sure but not that sure. This absolutely goes so well with me, because I get my periods early and there are moments in my life when I am sure but not that sure. So these panty liners are for that time of your month when you feel that you might get your period, but eventually that is not a period, but you need to apply something on your panty. That can be a panty liner. And one carry pouch to carry everything together, to put everything together. So I think they have sorted everything in one kit, and I think all the other brands should also inculcate such kits. This also says that this is sustainably engineered. This has the kindest wings, and this is super soft to the core, which is absolutely true, and this has high absorbency. And also these pads are paraben free, chlorine free and fragrance free. These pads do not have any fragrance. This is how the box looks like upon opening, if you can see. So these are the 8 large pads. If you can see, I'll just show you. On opening, this is the size of the pad. This is the size of the large pad. This is so thin. These 6 are the extra large pads, and I'll show you the size of this one as well. This is the size of the extra large pad, and this is also very thin. You can see. So these are the very 2 small cute little panty liners, which you can use when you are sure but not that sure. Some women experience discharge during when they are nearing their period, so you can use a panty liner during that time as well. And this is the bamboo intimate wipe. This is a resealable pouch. You have to open it like this, and I'll show you. After taking out the wipe, you can reseal it. This is the size of the intimate wipe. And this has such a nice fragrance, like the very mild, flowery kind of a fragrance, which I cannot relate, but the fragrance is very good. And this is the cute little plush pouch. Yeah, so you can use this pouch if you want to carry your extra large pad, your large pad and your intimate wipe. You can just carry these inside and take it with you. It's so convenient to carry this, and this pouch is also made up of cotton. I think this is a great thing to buy if you are a traveler. If you travel a lot, then I think you should buy these kind of kits, because everything is sorted so nicely into it. Like you don't have to look for things. Everything is inside a small little box. So I think this is a must have. Now coming back to the giveaway. Okay, so to participate in this giveaway, there are some very basic simple rules. First, you have to subscribe to my channel, which is very basic. Secondly, you have to follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram ID. And thirdly, which is a little important, you have to tell me your most embarrassing period story. Now it can be very embarrassing, but you have to share that with me. I just want to make this period conversation a little comfortable for people around there, because still today a lot of women face a lot of discomfort while talking about periods. They are like, वो चल रहे हैं, वो चल रहे हैं. I mean, don't do that. It's just very common, it is very basic. So I want you to share your most embarrassing period story. Or छोड़ो, if that is very uncomfortable for you, then you can share your first period experience. That you can do, I guess, whether it was painful for you, whether your mother already told you that you'll be getting a period soon, or your sister. I mean, I just want to know your experience, your first period experience. I just want to know that. So either embarrassing story or first period experience. I'll be very happy if you'll be sharing your embarrassing story, because I have many stories. I have already, I think in my channel I have talked about this a lot, about my embarrassing stories and all. So it is very easy for me to talk about this. I want it to be easy for you as well. There's no harm in discussing this. I'll be selecting 3 women out there and I'll be giving them this kit. All the details I'll be mentioning in the description box, so you can just read it. If you are unable to understand it like this, you can read it. This giveaway is open till 30th of April, so you have a lot of time. You can easily decide whether you need this or not. On 30th of April this giveaway will be closed, so then I will not be accepting any participation. So yeah, so let's see how fiercely you're going to participate in this giveaway. So that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.